Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix VirtualBox lagging when you're using Windows 11 on it. So I'll open my VirtualBox right now, and as you guys can see, I have Windows 11 installed on VirtualBox and it is causing me some issues, guys. I mean, it is not working fine. What I can do is I can just go to settings and we have to change some settings there. Go to system, guys, and then go to motherboard and give it the highest RAM you can give, because Windows 11 needs RAM, and my suggestion will be probably around 6 to 7 gigs you have to give it if you want to run it smoothly, guys. And when you give the appropriate amount of RAM, then go to processor and give it the maximum CPUs you can, which is on the green line. Don't go above that, just go to the highest on the green line. So my PC has 12 CPUs, I'll give it 6. After doing that, guys, you just have to go to display and enable the 3D acceleration, and now it's done, guys. This is the basic settings you have to do. Just click on OK and then run Windows 11 again. As you guys can see, my Windows 11 is about to run. I'll just wait till it boots. Okay, so guys, my Windows 11 is running right now. I'll just keep it full screen so that you guys can see properly. So guys, what you have to do is you have to go to this PC, which is my computer. So right click on it, then go to properties, and then we have to go to the advanced system settings, and on the performance settings we have to keep it for the best performance, not appearance. Because guys, if you're using Windows 11 in a VirtualBox, then it might be the case you're using it for productivity basics. You are not using it for, some kind of, feature based system. So you just want to get the most productivity out of it possible. So we don't need that appearance settings anymore. We don't need any kind of animations and stuff. We just want the performance. So you can just, right click on it, and then we can just select on the choose it for the best performance button, and then apply the settings. And now it will look bad, but the performance will be good. Then go to the power settings, and we have to give it the high performance setting too. And now if you did these settings on your Windows 11 virtual machine, and also if you are able to do the settings of the VirtualBox settings, so yeah, it's good, guys. Now your Windows 11 will run more faster and more better than before. But let me tell you guys, it is just my opinion. I think VMware has better way to run Windows 11, because I also run Windows 11 on VMware, and let me tell you guys, it works very fine, very smoothly. I don't know why VirtualBox causes some kind of issues with Windows 11, like it just hangs and lags a lot, but it's not the case on VMware, guys. So if you guys want me to make a video about how to install Windows 11 on VMware, then do subscribe this channel and comment down below. I'll make a video on that for sure. And if you like this video, then do subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.